All right, any question, guys?
I have a question about autoimmune diseases. We hear a lot about them. It seems that more and more people are being diagnosed with autoimmune diseases, but we don't really know what is an autoimmune disease.
Autoimmune is it is the body, the T cell attack the organ. So the T cell attack the organ, we call that the autoimmune. So why the T cell attack your organ? So I think the most common for the age people as me, what is the most the people have it? Arthritis. Arthritis is the T cell attack the joint. That is called the arthritis, or they call the autoimmune. So arthritis in English, the last four letters is ITIS.
Yes.
So this means that they have the inflammation. So the inflammation, they have inflammation is they call the autoimmune because the T cell attack the organ. So if the T cell attack the nerve, we call the MS. Okay, one thing very simple is the gingivitis, your gum problem. So that is the autoimmune also. Too many things in the autoimmune. Doctor say, okay, I give you a pill. Yes, some kind of pill for a few months, they stop, but they come back. So we must know why the T cell attack the organ. They can attack the eye, cause the dry eyes. They can attack the sinus. They can cause a sinus problem. So they can attack anywhere. How about attack the hair?
The hair?
The hair.
How do they do that?
What we call alopecia. Alopecia. So the kind of alopecia is that T cell attack the hair. So too many things is attacking. So number one, we need to know the T cell is come from the bone marrow, or the blood cell is come from the bone marrow. So the bone marrow, another thing is, but the T cell must have its function. So like a policeman, T cell is the force. Like a policeman, you need the training. So who train the T cell? That is the key. So at any force, you need the training. Not just say holding the M16 and shoot them, push a button to bomb them. No, they need the training. They need to know the good cell and the bad cell in the body. So if they say, oh, the John is a bad cell, the enemy, so they will attack it. So they kind of attack it. So the key for the autoimmune is in the thymus gland. Thymus gland, when the baby born, the thymus keep growing. Then later they stop growing and degenerate. So the thymus gland is a training. The function of the T cell is come from the thymus gland. It is a gland. That means the hormone. So the gland, so did any expert, include Chinese medicine, alternative medicine, or Western medicine, or mainstream medicine, do they pay attention on the thymus gland? No. The thymus gland is controlled by the nerve. So this nerve in the front and the back. So one on the back we call the T2, thoracic number 2. So that is the nerve for us to understand that is the T cells, the function, get the training. So the function is from, T cell function is come from the thymus gland, but in the history, nobody pay attention. They think the thymus gland is a useless organ. So another thing, when the T cell kill the bacteria or the germ or the virus, where they go? Then the lymph system go to cleansing. Then another thing is the T cell, they have a function, but they need to have the activity.
Mm-hmm.
So the activity is not from the thymus gland, not from the bone marrow, not from the lymph, is from the sweat gland. Then the sweat gland makes the T cell more active. Like in the army, they have someone to punish you, you must work hard. So that is it. So another thing is about the spleen. Spleen is the biggest lymph system. So the spleen is making the B cell in the body.
Right.
Because the whole immune system only formed by two cells, T cell or B cell. So the B cell is a detector. The detector to find out the virus or the germ or the body's signal. So they know which one is the enemy or no enemy come to attack the body.
Mm-hmm.
So the B cell attach on the virus, on the germ or whatever, then the T cell can go to destroy it.
See.
So, but only the thing is that people not really pay attention on the thymus gland or even though on the spleen. So on the spleen, the people have a spleen problem, the West medicine is so easy to cut the spleen out.
Yeah.
So if they cut the spleen out, so who go to make the B cell? Then the bone marrow go to make the B cell. But the bone marrow make the B cell is not the same quality like the spleen. So that is the organ, our function or pinch the nerve. They will cause the autoimmune. But how come they attack the bone and not attack the nerve or another place? So they kind of area we call the output, because on that area the bone or the joint or the nerve or the gum or anywhere, then they have the wrong signal also. So they cut the wrong signal we call the output. So they cut the output and steal from the nerve control. So for example, when your joint not take the good care or the nerve getting the wrong signal there. So this wrong signal can cause the T cell to attack. So the we have the liver. Liver, what we call the liver? Autoimmune.
The liver?
Hepatitis.
Hepatitis.
So hepatitis, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whatever, but no matter what, that is autoimmune. What can they do on the hepatitis? Do you know the hepatitis C? One pill is $3,000. Yeah. One pill. So one bottle of the pill is $50,000. Okay. Did they help? Put a question mark there. Yes, financially is help, but physical is any people get healed. So we should put a question. So many. They call the ITIS. Mm-hmm. We don't know how to do it. But if we know this, the nervous system, bone marrow is made the T cell. Thymus gland is the function of the T cell. Lymph system is cleansing the body. Then the sweat gland is for the activity of the T cell. So the spleen is for the B cell. So in our system, the nerve, the sympathetic nerve for the bone marrow is a T1. For the thymus gland is T2. Lymph node is the T3. Sweat brain is at T4. Spleen is on the T7. So in our theory, it's very simple. Just say open the blockage in the T1, 2, 3, 4, 7. But that is a basic for autoimmune. Another thing is, where is the inflammation? So where is the inflammation? Then we go to find out where it is. So that area we call ouch point. So we can stimulate an ouch point. For example, you have the shoulder bursitis.
Yeah.
This is ITIS. The bursitis, they go to surgery, but they're not looking for the nerve. This is the bronchial plexus or long thoracic, but they're not looking. They just say cortisone. Cortisone, surgery. Do they really help?
No.
Put a question mark there. So the stomach ulcer, it is the ITIS. Liver, hepatitis. So many things. How about the blood? The blood have the inflammation, what we call lupus.
Oh, lupus. Yeah.
So they don't know how to heal the lupus because they don't understand the autoimmune system.
Yeah.
The lupus. Another thing closer to lupus, Hashimoto disease. Or the Hashimoto is the thyroid inflammation. What can they do? So any organ may have the inflammation, but only the problem is to be considering the nervous system or just give you a pill or just a surgery. So how about the MS, the nerve? So on the nerve, on MS, we call the ouch point. See where is the nerve? Did that make sense?
It makes a lot of sense. We saw a woman sitting here about a month ago with MS, and she could feel the energy tingling up and down her legs, and she was crying. I'm not sure where her ouch point was, but it sounded like she had a lot of
They can be anywhere on the movement because that is a nervous system.
So how do you find the ouch point for someone who has MS or lupus?
Number one is we go to find out the T1, 2, 3, 4, 7. When we touch or we press on that area, we can feel the nodule, or they will painful, or they have a mark on the skin. So that is it. So the basic is the function of the thymus gland. So we are looking at the thymus gland on the T2 first. So then we are going to find out. So for example, we are symbol. Okay, bursitis, right? 10 days elbow, 10 days ouch point. You don't need to pray. You already know. Your doctor already tell you. So how about on the gum? Gum, we can find the blockage on the neck because it's the nerve, trigeminal nerve, and all the facial nerve going to that area. So we can open. But we need one is ouch point, one is autoimmune. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Simple. Did that answer your question?
I get it.
All right.
It's so simple.
But who going to do it?
You're